So of course it does come with a little squeegee that's going to help you take out any bubbles. It does have this little instruction handout. It's going to tell you exactly what to do. In this envelope here, you have a lens and screen cleaning wipe, a cleaning cloth, and 2 dust removal stickers. So my iPhone 15 is right out of the box, but I'm going to go ahead and clean out any little spot. Okay, I went ahead and cleaned it as best as I could. If you do need to use the dust removal stickers, you can go ahead and do so. Okay, so you're going to want to look at the back of the applicator here. And you're gonna wanna remove the back film. We see right here, this is the back film, and go ahead and peel it back. And then go ahead and place it on your iPhone 15. And so what you wanna do is go ahead and press and slide your finger here in the middle as well as you can, just back and forth several times. Okay, and now we're gonna go ahead and remove the whole sticker that we see here. And then we're gonna go ahead and lift up the applicator. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and remove this protective film, and then we're gonna squeegee as many of these bubbles as we can. The bigger ones, just use the flat surface. For the smaller ones, you're gonna use the tip, kind of like this. So it looks like I got most of the bigger bubbles out. Now it's just a matter of these smaller ones, so I'm gonna use the tip. So it looks like this corner here has the remaining ones. Again, we're gonna use the corner here to get rid of those and apply a good amount of pressure. It looks like the remaining 2 are right here. Just gonna squeegee them out with this corner. And you can go at it from different angles if it helps. And there we go, you have a perfect tempered glass screen cover that's gonna protect your iPhone 15 for a very long time. If you do need one, it does include a second one. And here's how it looks with the phone on. So yeah, I did quite a bit of research and I definitely recommend the Spigen EZ Fit tempered glass protector for your iPhone 15. Comes with the easy applicator that, as you saw, was very easy to do. So I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one.